So today I will presenting the numbers from 8, 9, and 10. So first, number 8. A stream of 10,000 cubic foot per minute rather at standard condition is processed. The air is first cooled to 50 degrees saturated and then heated to 100 degree Fahrenheit. Determine the actual specific volume at both 50 degree Fahrenheit and 150 degree Fahrenheit. Then calculate the volumetric flow rate at the final 100 degree Fahrenheit supply state. So first, at 50 degree Fahrenheit saturated, the specific volume is 13.6 cubic foot per pounds, and for the 100 Fahrenheit 14.9 cubic foot per pounds. To find the mass flow rate, I just use this initial condition, which is 10,000 CFM divide 13.5 cubic foot per pounds is equal to 740.74 pounds per hour. Now, for the HOTS part, the CFM at the final state is higher because the air expands when heated. Using the ratio of specific volume, the final CFM is equal to 740.74 times 14.9 is equal to 11,037. It increases about 11%. For the problem 9, a dehumidification system processes 15,000 cfm of air from 80 degree Fahrenheit with a relative humidity of 60%, then 55 degree Fahrenheit saturated and reheat to 72 degree Fahrenheit. Using the formula GPM, CFM times delta humidity ratio over S specific volume times 8.33. Calculate the rate of water removal in gallons per minute. Then for the second, if the heat stage uses a steam coil with a latent heat HFG of 960 BTU per pounds, calculate the pounds of mass steam per hour required. So first, I found the humidity ratio changes, which is the given 0.012 and 0.0092. Then the delta humidity ratio is 0.004 pounds per water per pounds per dry air. Using the specific volume formula, 13.8 cubic foot per pounds, then GPM 15,000 times 0.004 over 13.8 times 8.33, I get the answer of 0.52 GPM. Then for the reheat load, with a given of 1.08, with a constant formula rather, 1.08 times CFM times delta T. So by substituting all the values, 1.8 times 15,000 times 72 minus 55 for the delta T, then I got the answer of 275,400 BTU per hour. Then divide it by 960, then I got the answer of 286.9 pounds per hour of steam, or which is 287 pounds per hour. For number 10, a gym is maintained at 75 degree Fahrenheit with 60% relative humidity, then the enthalpy of 32.5 BTU pounds. The owner wants to lower relative humidity to 40 degrees Celsius, then 75 degree Fahrenheit, where the enthalpy is 26.5 BTU per pounds. A. Calculate the total heat removal required for 5,000 CFM using the formula of 4.5 times CFM times delta enthalpy or delta H. Then B, if achieved by cooling to dew point and reheating, calculate the total energy cost per day with cooling at 0.10 tons per hour and steam at 0.05 per pounds. So the solution is delta H, we just need to subtract 32.5 minus 26.5, then it is equal to 6 BTU per pounds. Then total heat removed, we just follow the formula given 4.5 times CFM of 5,000 times 6 is equal to 135,000 BTU per hour. Then divide it by 12,000 to convert, then we have the value of 11.5 TR or tons of refrigeration. For the B, to lower the relative humidity at a constant level. So we have a cooling load of 11.5 TR times 24 hours a day is equal to 270 tons per hour. Then costly about 270 times $0.10 is equal to $27 per day. Then reheat load is roughly equal to the cooling load for the sensible reheat. So steam is 135,000 BTU per hour times 24 over 960 is equal to 3,375 pounds per day. So the cost is 3,375 times $0.05. So nearly $195.75 per day. So this is the total cost. So that's all. Thank you.